to section 2, which is a B part, linear equation. So we are looking at linear equations under equations and formulae. So, and we have this question for practice. Solve for x. So we have the first question. We have this one, x over 4 plus 7 equal to 5. Okay, so what we do is this. This one is a whole number, this is a whole number, and this one is a fraction. So what we can do is to, this 7, can we remove it? This is a plus 7 here. So remove this 7 here, and that was minus 7. Minus 7, we negate, we cancel this one. And you do it to both sides. This is 5 here. You've already had a minus 7 here. You do the same thing also on the right hand side. So whatever you are using to negate a certain number must be done to both sides of the equation. Okay, so this we cancel out. So you have this equal to what? 5 minus 7, that's what? Minus 2. So you now have a fraction now, and this is not a fraction. So the thing to do is to find a way of cancelling this fraction. And how do you do that? Very simple. You have 4 here, use the 4 to multiply both sides of the equation. So if you do that here now, the fraction will go. So you just have this, x equals 1.